Apple is set to revolutionize smartphone photography with the highly anticipated iPhone 17 lineup, expected to launch later in 2025. Leaked details and dummy models hint at massive camera upgrades, including a next-gen 24MP front camera and powerful 48MP rear lenses across the Pro models. Here's everything you need to know about Apple's bold new move in mobile photography. Major camera upgrades across all iPhone 17 models. Apple is doubling the front camera resolution from 12MP to 24MP, promising crisper selfies, better low-light performance, and highly detailed shots. Fire for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max models, expect 3 48MP cameras, including Fusion Lens main sensor, ultra-wide lens carried over from iPhone 16 Pro, Tetraprism Telephoto lens, new addition with improved zoom and detail. The Tetraprism Telephoto camera will allow for better zoom capabilities without losing image quality, while 8K video recording and dual video capture make this lineup a dream for content creators. Camera with flash rumor alert. Apple might introduce a mechanical aperture, allowing users to control depth of field and adjust lighting like professional cameras, something iPhones have never done before. Counterclockwise arrows button bold new design, the end of the camera bump? Apple is reportedly ditching the traditional square camera bump, replacing it with a sleek horizontal camera bar that houses the lenses, flash, mic, and LiDAR sensor in a modern, streamlined layout. Pushpin iPhone 17 Air, Apple's thinnest iPhone ever at just 5.5mm thick, will feature a single 48MP Fusion lens, making it the only model without ultra-wide or telephoto capabilities. Pushpin the standard iPhone 17 will maintain a dual-lens vertical setup, with a 48MP Fusion lens and 12MP ultra-wide camera mirroring its predecessor. Fire final thoughts, is this Apple's most ambitious camera upgrade ever? With higher megapixels, advanced zoom features, 8K video, and a major design refresh, the iPhone 17 lineup could set new standards for smartphone photography.